What's up guys? So on this video we are going to use a notebook LM from Google. So it just got released and I'm going to show you how I am personally using it. So basically I went to YouTube and I found this video of like 4 hours and 43 minutes from Alex Hormozi on sales. And then next to it was this new video from Jeremy Haynes, posted 2 days ago. It's like ultimate sales training as well. And then like 2 more videos of like 25 minutes and 30 minutes from Hormozi. So basically it's all about sales and how to sell people into high ticket offer on the phone. So you can use this for literally anything you want. And I'm going to show you the different sources. So here on the left, so what I've done is I created a new notebook. You can create as many notebooks as you want. So I'm going to do sales training. And basically I'm just going to add sources to this thing. So you can add Google Docs, Google Slides, you can add a website, you can add YouTube videos, or you can copy and paste text, or you can submit PDF, text, Markdown, audio, MP3, whatever files you have. Then you can upload them here. Okay, so for the sake of this example, I have 4 YouTube videos. So I'm just going to insert this first one. So I think that's the one I took. How to sell better. Yeah, I'm just going to do the Hormozi ones first. And another YouTube video. Insert. And another YouTube video. Insert. And finally this 4 hours and 50 minutes YouTube video. Okay, so you have a limit of, as you can see here at the bottom, 50 files that you can add. And basically right now what it does is it is using the transcript of all of these videos, and it is going to allow us to do whatever we want with it. Okay, so the first thing I want to show you is this audio overview. So it's going to generate. So while it generates, I'm going to show you the rest in here. So you can ask specific questions. So this is using Gemini. So this is the AI of Google. So what are the core principles of success sales according to Alex Hormozi? How does Alex Hormozi approach building and scaling high performance sales teams? And what are the key elements of Alex Hormozi diagnostic sale? And then the summary, this YouTube video provides a comprehensive guide to sales techniques, particularly focusing on the closing stage. Hormozi emphasize. So let me just go back in here, because what I want is like all of these videos at once. Oops. Close the chat, view the chat. So notebook guide. Okay, so it's generating the conversation. That's the main thing I want to show you. But basically what we can have a briefing doc. So whatever you want, you can like have a briefing doc, or you can type your own prompt in here. So they are like FAQ, study guide to study what the material of these videos are, the table of content, the timeline, the briefing doc. So briefing doc, let's see what we have here. Sales training and techniques for high ticket closers. These video docs analyze 3 sales training videos featuring Jordan Belfort or Alex Hormozi and an identified sales trainer. And you have like literally the closer framework, clarify, label, overview, sell the vacation, explain away concerns, reinforce the decision, conviction framework. Salespeople must believe in their product to convey confidence. Tone of voice is a powerful tool for controlling the conversation. Study successful sales calls to identify, like you have like the entire thing. Instead of sitting around for 4 hours on watching these videos, now you have all the content like step by step, and you can learn it from like in a different way. And the best thing is now you can potentially transcribe your sales calls and ask the AI question on what did this salesperson missed when you compare to like what the sales training that I sent you. So the AI is trained now on all the sales training. And eventually in the future, maybe they are going to replace your salespeople. There are tools like Vapi.ai and things like that, Air.ai, that starts talking with people automatically using AI voices. So with the pace that AI is going, I think it's going to be pretty exciting in the future. Cool. So let's see if we can listen to this. Not yet. So we're gonna do, so we say we did a briefing doc, study guide. So let's see what the study guide is giving us. So if we want to study all the material in one, so let's see what we're going to have here. Really what I want to show you is this conversation here. It's pretty insane. Table of content. Okay, so scaling iTicket, a study guide. Quiz. Answer the following question in 2 or 3 sentences each. What is the closer framework and how does it improve sales conversion? Okay, so it's basically asking questions and giving you the answer for you to learn all the material from this. So the closer framework is a question-based sales script structure that guides prospect towards saying yes. It stands for clarify, label, overview, sell, explain, and reinforce. By addressing key milestones and uncovering potential objections early, it improves conversion rate. Selling the vacation, not the flight plane, means focusing on so that's based on the question. Explain the concept of selling the vacation, not the flight plane in sales. Understanding a prospect why contribute, blah, 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 blah. So you can see that this is like really, really, really powerful. So now listen to this.
All right, let's dive into this. Alex Hormozy and high ticket sales, right? You found some interesting videos on this. This is going to be good.
Yeah, 3 of them. They're packed with insights.
Seriously. Talk about a deep dive. So what jumped out at you? What's the headline here?
Well, Alex Hormozy, he really gets into the psychology of selling. You know, like, he doesn't just tell you what to do. He digs into the why. Like, why people buy.
Right. It's not just like some do this, do that kind of thing.
Exactly. And he ties it all back to building systems. So you're not just relying on, like, luck or charisma.
I like that. Systems. That's huge because you can't just bottle up charisma and hand it out to your team, right?
Exactly. You need a framework. So one of the big things he hammers on is like really believing in what you're selling.
Oh, yeah, I remember that. He even uses that funny example talking about if you really believed in, was it leads, you'd be signing up your own mother.
Yes. He's like, these leads are so good, I'm getting my mom certified.
I laughed out loud at that one. But it's so true. If you don't believe in it, how can you expect anyone else to, right?
Absolutely. And that belief, it changes how you handle everything, especially objections.
Wow. So as you can see, like they have a conversation back and forth from all the transcripts that we send them, and like it's giving you a podcast going over all of the information on like what they teach in the videos in a 9-minute breakdown. So it's honestly pretty cool. So there is a lot more that you can do. So let's try something. So please generate a sales script for an online coaching business, helping online coaches to get coaching clients. All right, so we're gonna see what it says, and basically what it does here, it reference where in the video it has been mentioned, so where they are taking the information from. Okay, so it answered my question. Please generate a sales script. So sample sales script for online coaching businesses for online coaches. So let me zoom in so you guys can see clearly. Opening and rapport building. Hi prospecting, thanks for opening on the call today. I'm excited to learn about your coaching business and see how we can help you get more clients. Just to make sure that we're on the same page, what was the biggest thing that made you schedule this call today? Oh, that's great to hear. Can you tell me a little bit more about your coaching business? As in, like, what kind of coaching do you specialize in, and who's your ideal client? And you let them talk. Awesome, awesome. So what's been the biggest challenge so far in getting coaching clients? Is that like not enough leads, not enough calls, not like enough conversions on these calls? What's the biggest bottleneck? Bam, 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 bam. And you have like so sell the vacation. So that's where I come in. We help online coaches just like you create a client acquisition system that consistently attract high quality clients. Imagine having a steady stream of clients who are eager to work with you and achieve amazing results. Target client attraction. So and then it gives you 3 steps. So we'll help you identify and attract your ideal clients through proven marketing strategies. Then we are using high converting sales systems. You learn how to have confident sales conversation that turns prospect into paying clients. And finally, we'll show you how to build a profitable coaching business that gives you the freedom and income you desire. And then addressing potential objection. Sounds great, but I'm not sure I have the time to implement all of this. I understand time is valuable. What are your biggest time constraints right now? And how can we work together to create a plan that fits your schedule? Awesome. I've tried other programs before and nothing seems to work. I hear you. What were the biggest challenge you faced with this program, and how can we make sure this experience is different for you? Closing, based on what we've discussed, seems like our program would be a great fit. Are you ready to start attracting clients based on the coaching business of your dream? Here's what happened next. Anyways, you get the gist of this, but basically it gave you an entire script based on Alex Hormozy's Closer framework and all the training that I sent him from Google. It's like 10 hours of content that I didn't have to sit through, and now I have the perfect sales script for my business. So this is pretty cool. Play around with this. You can do a lot. Like, honestly, I use it with mostly YouTube videos for now, because I think like I don't want to sit through YouTube videos and listen to them if I don't have to. Especially that I can actually take action on the YouTube videos without having to watch it and still giving me like this amount of crazy information that I'm looking for in the moment. So that's it for this video. Let me know if you guys have any questions, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.